Find the value of the derivative if it exists at the given extremum. And that is f of -3 is what they're interested in. Okay, so I take the derivative. And then I investigate. So that would be 2 over 3 cube root of x plus 3. Okay, so there is one critical value. The critical value can occur when the derivative is equal to 0. So if you try and set this equal to 0, you're not going to have any solutions, right? Because you just have a constant on top. But if you set the denominator to 0 to solve, you get a value for which the derivative is undefined, and it's in the domain of the function, right? So there would be an output there at x equals 0, or I'm sorry, at x equals -3, y equals 0. So what's happening here? Well, it has to be a sharp corner. If I plug that into f, I get f of 0, or f of -3 equal to 0. Sorry, so that's the point, -3 comma 0, and we saw the graph of that guy look like that. So when we learned about when derivatives fail to exist, sharp corner, so that should kind of make sense that that could be a max or min, because that can happen at these corners. So the value of the derivative there then would be at the x value of -3 would not exist, right? Because if you tried to evaluate that in the derivative, you're dividing by 0.